Hey everybody, happy fall. We're gonna make some basmati rice and Swiss chard. We're gonna heat a pot and a pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil to both. To the pot, we're gonna add diced onions and garlic, and to the pan, we're gonna add sliced onions and garlic. We're gonna add a pinch of sea salt and let that heat through and become a little bit golden. We're gonna rinse 1.5 cups of basmati rice and add that to the pot. And we will add 1 teaspoon of sea salt and sumac, a half a teaspoon of garlic and onion powder, and grind some white peppercorns. We're going to fold that to cover the rice, add a handful of cherry tomatoes, and cover the rice with warm water. Let that come to a boil, then a simmer for about 15 minutes. We're going to add our Swiss chard to the pan and add a pinch of sea salt, add some ground ginger, fold that in, and let that cook down. Stir your rice, add a half a cup of nutritional yeast, add some water if necessary, and then we're going to turn the heat off to the pot, add a paper towel and a covered lid, let that finish cooking, and absorb the water. Add sprinkled olive oil over your rice, add 2 scoops to a bowl, and 1 scoop of Swiss chard to your bowl, ground sesame seeds, and roasted Swiss chard. Grazie, amore e luce, subscribe if you haven't.